Welcome everybody, welcome to the Outdoor Gear and Review, where we review so you don't have to. Today we are reviewing the EVERLIT First Aid Emergency Kit. This thing is pretty nice. I have to admit I have two of them. I actually have one in my truck that hangs on the back of my headrest. It has a nice handle right here so you can carry. One thing I really love about this thing is the MOLLE straps back here. You can hook it to your vest if you need to. I mean, I really wouldn't suggest that. Well, this thing is pretty thick, but you can easily strap it to your backpack and hang off. It's not too heavy to carry like that. Very nice case, very durable. Let's open this thing up here. It has a strap at the top. You'll pull this. Zip it here. Bear with me, I have to get a new phone holder, so that way it's a lot easier to film. So this is what this bad boy looks like inside. And if we flip this over, it comes with your scissors, your tape, some ramp, some gauze. It does have a marker down in here. It has a big wrap in case you break or sprain your leg or arm. It has a nice UV baggie for scissors, marker, emergency compression bandage. Over here, it's got your wipes. More dressings. Emergency blankets. Which, these things are really nice, guys, but you have to be very, very careful. And I would definitely look into how to use these properly. I will make a video down the road on showing you how to use these, because if you do not use these proper way, it can actually harm you even worse. So make sure you guys are using those the proper way. And lots of different gauzes in here. Now, I think this is a very good kit. Like I said, I do have two of them. This one I usually keep on my backpack, and one I have in my vehicle. But there's a few things I would suggest adding to this. I put some bag balm in here, a small travel size one, fits perfectly. Also, some liquid skin. This thing is very handy to have, especially if you're out in the woods camping. You get a small cut, you can easily patch it up without having to deal with band-aids or dig around in this thing to try to find what you need. And I would definitely suggest, before you go out camping, to reorganize this the way you like it. Go through it, see what you need. If you have too many of one thing, you can take it out and substitute it for more band-aids or anything you might think you need. Also, I have in here some bleed stop. This stuff is very, very nice. If you have a pretty deep wound, you just open it up, pour it in there, and seal it off. So this will actually buy you some more time in case you get a pretty deep cut. So that is also something to look into. And then I have some hand sanitizer, just a small little travel bottle. These things you can usually pick up at, I would say, the dollar store or a Dollar Tree. A Dollar Tree is a very good spot to go and get some very cheap aspirin, some anti-diarrhea, things like that. Put it in a smaller case if you need to, and you can wrap it up and put it in this thing and carry it. But as you see, this thing holds quite a bit of stuff. It does have, like I said, some extra room in there, especially if you reorganize it, you'll actually get a little bit more room to be able to stick whatever you need. in one in my truck that I carry all the time with me. I also have a few knives and stuff like that, just in case if you do get cut, you don't need to go digging around in a backpack or trying to fish your knife out of your pocket. So I just put one in here, so that way it's very handy. Well guys, I think you can get this on Amazon for about $50 to $60. I'm sure you can buy it other places, but I got this one off a friend because it was the wrong color. And the other one I purchased off Amazon. And like I said, these things are small, they're compact, they're amazing, they're not too heavy, so you can carry them on your backpack very easily. Alright guys, I hope you liked the review. Please leave a like and a comment. Please subscribe. And I hope you all have a great day. God bless.